All right, welcome back to the shop. So this is a real short video tonight just to introduce my next project. It's a 1961 M422A1 Mite. Aluminum body, aluminum magnesium engine, steel frame, steel drive gear, the transmission, transfer case, axles. They made these for Vietnam back before the Huey Helicopter came out. They couldn't airlift the Jeeps, the M422A1 Jeeps, into the jungles or whatever. So they developed this thing. It's got a V4 air-cooled engine. It's either aluminum or magnesium, I'm not positive. And the whole body's aluminum. Once they came out to Huey, then they were able to airlift the Jeeps. So they only made, I think, about 5,000 of these from what I've heard. So this is a real early serial number. They came out, the earlier version was a M422, and it was a lot shorter. It was like really short looking. It didn't have, you could tell just by these pockets right here, but also I think, the bed came probably up to here. They were tiny little things. But this one here is about 9.5 feet long. It's 5 feet wide. It's really cool to compare it to the Growler because the Growler is 5 feet wide. This one here is longer, the M1161. But I've got an M1163 outside that I'm going to do some comparison with, and it's about 8 inches longer than this. So it's really cool to be able to compare the size to the M1163, which was made in like, what, 2009 to 2012, whatever. And it's almost the same size as this. In my next video, I'm going to bring the M1163 in and compare it to this one, dimension-wise and stuff like that. And, we'll get some shots of them together so we can kind of compare them. The paint, somebody painted it blue. I don't know what's up with this horse head. I don't know if it's some mafia insignia or what that is. I don't know. But the previous owner, he started buffing off the blue paint and he found the green paint underneath. He found the stenciling. He found the decal. And so we're going to polish this up and see if I can get the blue off. If I can and she looks good, I'm going to leave it, with a survivor looking paint job. If not, then I'll have to paint it. Leave a message in the comments. What do you guys think? If I should paint it, repaint the whole thing, or if I should just leave it with that kind of rough survivor paint job. I'm going to be looking for some parts. I need some seat bottoms, some cushions for the back. I have to rebuild the engine. I already know that. So that's going to be my first project on this, is to pull the engine out. So anyways, just a quick video. There's going to be a lot more to come on this one. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.